I'm excited to share this recipe with you. We're going to make creamy, dreamy, homemade chocolate whipped cream. We'll start by using 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. That is 237 milliliters. I'm going to pour that into this bowl. You can also chill your bowl. Some people even chill the beaters. I think it's getting a little crazy, but I didn't chill this for a silly reason. If I chill the bowl, it steams up and then you all can't see what's going on in here. So if you want to at your own home, you can chill the bowl. Keeping it cold helps the cream whip faster. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened. That is 24 grams. And then 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, which will make it nice and sweet. Same thing, 24 grams. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla for flavor. And that is all you have to do. You want to just give it a stir because all of those dry ingredients, when you turn your mixer on, they kind of fly out and we don't want to be messy. Then go ahead and you want to start on low speed. When you're working with cream, it's best to start slow and then work your way up to high speed. It gives you the best whip. It does not take long for this little mixture to transform into whipped cream, maybe 3 to 4 minutes. I'm increasing the speed just a little bit at a time. This goes from soft peak to stiff peak very quickly, and you want to make sure that you actually don't go beyond that point because the mixture will start to separate. We want to keep it nice and smooth and creamy. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up to high speed. Again, this does not take long, so once you see the mixture starting to make trails with the beaters, you'll know that you're getting close. You can see it's making little trails in there. So we're close. I just want to show you when you get to that point, it's actually done. There are nice peaks coming up there. We're just going to stop there. I do not want to take it over and risk having it separate. This is creamy and beautiful just as it is. So this is done. It was that simple. This didn't even take 4 minutes and it's done and ready to be used. Okay, I just want to show you how pretty this is. I'm going to put it into a piping bag and show you how it turns out. Since I don't have a dessert in front of me, I'm just going to put it on a plate so you can see it. So I just want to show you the creamy, beautiful texture. You could put this on any dessert that you're making and be proud of that. It's absolutely gorgeous. You could just eat it right out of the bowl. I may do that. If you enjoyed learning how to make this, check out my playlist. I have all kinds of tips and tricks and fun recipes. I hope to see you there.